To start adding transitions to your video, all you need to do is click the Transitions option. If you scroll down, you can see that Camtasia has a variety of transitions available for you to choose from. You can hover your mouse over it to see a short preview of each transition. Let's go with Fade. Drag the transition, and before you add it to the video, you can see that you can put it either at the beginning or at the ending of your video. For now, let's choose the beginning. Once you've done that, preview the transition. See how your video fades in from the beginning? But if you want to make the transition fade in longer, all you need to do is extend the transition like this. Now, as you can see, the extension allows the transition to appear longer and slower. Next, let us try putting another transition at the end of the video. Drag the fade through black transition and drop it at the end. Using the same technique, you can choose to extend the transition by dragging it within your video. Don't forget to preview it to see if it is to your liking. That concludes adding transitions to your video.